So in this video I will be taking another example on conditional statements. So what are first of all conditional statements? So conditional statements are statements that are executed only if a certain condition is met, right? Only if a certain condition is true, only then those statements are executed, otherwise those statements are not executed. In Python, what are the conditional statements known as? Conditional statements are known as if, elif, else, right? So if certain condition is true, then something happens, elif something else happens, else something else happens. Remember, if is compulsory, elif and else is optional. For example, let us say we want to write a code. For example, let us take a very simple example that if you have gotten you have an exam, right? You have an exam. In that exam, marks are out of 100. If you get more than 40, okay, I will write over here, if marks are greater than 40, then you get the grade P. If marks are less than 40, if marks are less than 40, then you get what? You get F grade, right? Marks are not only greater than equal to. Okay, right. Before I explain all of this, let me just explain what are the different what are the different operators which are used, conditional operators. There is also something known as conditional operators. What are the conditional operators? We have seen some conditional operators. First one is double equal to. What does equal to mean? Equal to, right? It checks if the left side is equal to right side. That is the equal to operator. Then what is the second one? Second one is greater than. These are all what? These are all you have seen in maths also, right? If number A is greater than number B, then what we have? We have less than. If number A is less than number B, then what do we have? We have greater than equal to. Okay, this means greater than or equal to, right? Both conditions are acceptable. Then we have less than equal to, less than or equal to, and the last condition that we have is not equal to. This is known as not equal to. So these are the 6 conditional operators: equal to, greater than, less than, greater than equal to, less than equal to, and not equal to. Okay. So if marks is less than 40, we have fail. If marks is greater than equal to 40, we have pass. If marks is greater than equal to, let us say 50, we have grade B. If marks is greater than equal to 60, we have grade A. And if we have marks greater than equal to 70, we have grade O. Okay, so let us say these are the different conditions that we have. Now see, how are we going to write this? Okay, hopefully you have made a note of these conditional operators. I'm going to delete them, so if you want to take a screenshot, you can take a screenshot right now. Okay, so see, how can we write? First of all, what do we have to do? We have to take input from the user, right? We first have to know the marks, no? So we can write marks equal to, the marks will be in integer, so we write int input, enter the marks, right? We write enter the marks. Once we have the marks with us, what do we have to do? We have to use if, elif, else. Now first of all, I will use if, elif, else in the wrong way, just so that you understand why it is happening like this. Okay, let us say first I write if marks is less than 40. If marks is less than 40, then what is the grade? The grade is F. So we have to print grade is equal to F, right? Then this becomes one block of code. Here we write elif marks are greater than equal to 40. If marks are greater than equal to 40, then what do we have to print? We have to print grade equal to P. Right? We have to print grade equal to P. Elif marks greater than equal to 50. What do we have to print? We have to print grade equal to B. Right? Elif marks greater than equal to 60. What do we have to print? Print grade is equal to A. Right? And similarly, elif marks greater than equal to 70. What do we have to print? We have to print grade equal to O. Right? So this is what we have to print. So see, now see, in this case I haven't written anything else, right? There is nothing else that I have to write. I can put something else, that if he has put marks more than 100, then it is an error, right? But it is not compulsory. These are the conditions which have been given to me, and this is what I have done, right? So if I save this code and see over here, this is a block of code which is inside this if condition. That is why we have given indentation over here. This is a block of code which is inside this condition. So we have given indentation over here. In the end, we can print over here, print thank you for using this software. Right? We can write something like this in the end. Okay. So this is how this can work. Now see, if I run this code, what is happening? It is asking me for the marks. Now some of you might have seen what the error is going to be, but others can see it. If you haven't understood what the error is, you can see it over here. Let us say I put marks less than 30. Then it is going to show me that I have grade F, right? So let me put marks 30. It is less than 40. No? So if I press enter, see, it is showing grade is equal to F, and it is saying thank you for using this software. So it printed this command because this condition was true. It did not check any other condition, and it directly went to the last line. Correct? Now, instead of this, if I put some other marks, okay, I will just close this and again I will run this. Now here I will put marks equal to what? Let us say I put marks is equal to 75. What should be the grade that I should get? I should get grade O, no? But see what it is going to give me. It is going to give me grade P. Why is it going to give me grade P? Because 75 is also greater than equal to 40. No? See what happens when I put marks over here. When I put marks is equal to 75 over here, it goes over here, put 75 over here. Is 75 less than 40? No, false. So it doesn't go into this condition. It goes to the next condition. Is 75 greater than 40? Yes, 75 is greater than 40. So it is true, and it directly prints this command. So whenever you are writing this, what you should do, you should first write this condition, right? This condition should be first, this condition should be second, this condition should be third, this condition should be fourth, right? So it will check slowly. So if marks are 65, this condition will be false, but this condition will become true. Okay, so over here I will just take this code, I will cut it from here and paste it over here, right? I will take this code, I will cut it from here and I will paste it over here. I will cut this code and I will paste it over here, right? So this is what I can do. Now this will work correctly. Now see, if I run this, again it asks me for my marks. If I put something like 56, what should be the grade that I should get? I should get grade B, no? So if I press enter, see, I am getting grade B, right? So this is how you can use if, elif, and if you want, you can put else also, right? We can put something like else print wrong input, right? He might have put in some wrong input. He might have put in A, B, something like that, negative marks or else. But this condition will not be executed, even I know that. But you can put all else is optional in this case. right? In this question we did not need else, so I'll just remove it because it will not be executed in any condition. Okay, so hopefully the use of if, elif is clear to you, and how to use indentation and blocking is also clear to you. Okay, so practice this a lot because this is what is going to be used extensively, right? So thank you.